today I'm going to do a 1-pot Polish sausage dish. I'm starting out, I've got already 1 pack of Polish sausage, and you can use, there's different flavors. You can use jalapenos and cheddar. You can use, there's a Korean that is really good that we love. It's just hard to find. But you can use just smoked sausage, just whatever flavor of Polish sausage that you like. But I'm putting 2 packs of it because it's going to be a big pot. And just dice them up in slices. And preheat your oven at 350. And this will take anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour to cook. You could serve it with soup beans and cornbread, green beans and cornbread, or you could just, it's got so much stuff in it, so you could just use just it. You know, you wouldn't have to serve it with anything else if you didn't want to. Okay, and a stick of butter. And I'm just dicing the butter up right in the pan. It'll melt as it all comes together. And I've got about 8 potatoes diced. And I'm cheating a little bit. I've got a bag of onions and peppers that's already, you can buy them frozen. And 1 can of diced tomatoes. Just stir all that up real good. The flavors of the Polish sausage all work together and give it, you'll have a lot of juice coming off of it. And I'm also going to put in, it's a beefy onion soup mix. 1 pack, be all you need. It gives out some good flavor. And then I'm going to put about a 1/2 can of water in it. Now you can cover that with aluminum foil and put it in the oven on 350 and let it bake for about 45 minutes to an hour. That's all there are to it, getting it ready. So we'll put it in the oven and we'll be back when we get it ready. Welcome back, y'all. Our dish is done, and I got it out of the oven. It took me a little bit longer on it. I took it out about halfway, about 30 minutes, and then I took the aluminum foil off the top of it and I turned my oven up to about 400. The taters was still not done good, so I wanted to speed it up a little bit. But anyway, here's what it looks like. We'll get some out in a plate. This is just a good hearty meal. You got plenty of sausage and taters and veggies in it. But I hope you all like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the meal. And thank you all for watching.